In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make vinyl stickers and how to apply them. Vinyl stickers can be applied to glass, metal, plastic, basically any smooth surface. To make a vinyl sticker, add your design into a vinyl cutting editor. In this case, I'm using Vinyl Master. This design will be cut into the vinyl sheet using a vinyl cutter, also called a vinyl printer. I am using the LaserPoint 3 vinyl cutter. There is a small razor blade that runs along the vinyl to cut out the design. Once finished, you need to remove the vinyl that's not part of the design through a process called weeding. When your design is ready to go, it's time to add transfer tape. You will see why we need this in a moment. Cut off any excess transfer tape and smooth it out with your card. And there we go, a vinyl sticker ready for application. Bam. Wherever you plan on putting the sticker, make sure the surface is clean and dry. This makes sure your sticker will stick properly and have a healthy life. When you buy a vinyl sticker, before applying it, I suggest to take a squeegee or credit card and run it over the design. Apply a little bit of pressure on a smooth surface, such as the floor. You want to ensure the vinyl design sticks to the transfer tape. Now slowly peel the transfer tape back. Make sure all parts of the design stick to the transfer tape. Sometimes if the design doesn't stick to the transfer tape, push the transfer tape back down on the design with some more pressure and try pulling it up again until the design properly attaches itself to the transfer tape. Once the design is completely on the transfer tape, evenly apply it to your surface. Run your squeegee or credit card over the design with some good pressure to ensure the vinyl sticks to your surface. Slowly peel the transfer tape off your surface, and the vinyl sticker should now stick to your surface. If the design sticks to the transfer tape and not your surface, push the transfer tape back down on the surface, give the design a little pressure, and try again. Once the design is completely on your surface, give it a quick run over with some light pressure to push out any air bubbles that may be trapped under the vinyl. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully you guys learned a little something about how to create these vinyl stickers. This vinyl sticker is over a year old. I've taken my car through the car wash many times, still perfect condition. So these stickers will last a really long time. But make sure before you put it on a car or stainless steel, do not use any wax. Don't use like Rain-X or anything because the sticker won't stick to that. Just clean it with water, let it dry, put the sticker on, and then you can wax over that. If you want to support the channel, I have the small, the medium, and then the large South Florida Fishing Channel vinyls on southfloridafishingchannel.com. If you're interested in creating your own vinyls, maybe you want to start a vinyl business, I'm going to make a thread on the South Florida Fishing Channel forum on how to create vinyls, where you can ask questions and I'll try to answer them for you. I'll leave a direct link to that forum thread at the bottom of this video description, down there somewhere. But thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys on the forum. I'm always posting the fishing reports on there. I have 2 fishing videos coming out next week. So I'll see you guys then. Cheers.